What's up guys, DIY Salvage Guy here, and on this channel, we just learn as we go. Today's episode, we're going to be doing the wheel bearings on the 2011 Ford Mustang GT, and also it's going to make it really easy to do on pretty much any vehicle as well. So this should be a universal application, so make sure you guys subscribe down below, check out more how-to videos, and also make sure you guys turn on those post notifications, that way you can guys be the first ones to check out new videos. Let me know what you guys think. Hopefully, let's hop into this right now. You guys hear that? Hey guys, so I want to showcase another maintenance item on a vehicle. So I replaced the control arms, I replaced the tie rods. I still have a little bit of play in the wheel, and I'm getting a large vibration when I'm driving at like highway speeds and I'm turning, like changing lanes, or when the vehicle's kind of just going around a corner. It's getting a very large vibration. So I know it's not the control arms, I know it's not the tie rods, those are both new. So the last piece of component that it could possibly be is the wheel bearings or the wheel hubs assembly for these Mustangs. So this is pretty much how you're going to test it. You got to really look in here. So when you're looking like this, you can hear that. So it's moving. So that's really how you test it, to make sure that there is no play. You shouldn't have any play in here. And so we replaced the other side, and we're going to do this side as well. So it should be a simple process to show you guys a quick how-to to do this and get you guys rolling on these Mustangs or pretty much any car in general. So we have two bolts here that we have to remove. On the back, show up the picture real quick so you guys can see. Should be pretty simple. Once we remove those two bolts, the caliper is going to come loose. So you want to get like a bungee cord, or this is actually a caliper hanger, and just hang it so that you can connect it right afterwards. So once these are out, just take it off and support it. So just hang it right from the strut itself. So now this has, the rotor should come loose pretty easily. You just have to remove this piece right here. Rotor off. You guys can tell that this is no longer sealed. There's grease all over the place in here, so this is definitely bad. So next thing we need to do is we have to remove this cap. You have to be careful. They say that you have to replace it. I don't necessarily think that you need to, but it's like a metal cap. So what I'm going to do is just put a screwdriver in here and gently tap it in. So a little prying comes off. Now we have a 36mm nut in here. Impact makes quick work of it. You got a washer and a bearing and a nut here. And then this should slide right off, like so. You guys hear that? That's the bed bearing. So one thing I do want to point out real quick, when you're putting the cap back on, it kind of has a tendency to go all over the place. So you want to just really use a socket, anything like that. Basically, you just want to hit it on each side. As you're doing that, it'll go down pretty nicely. So put that all that back on. We're ready to drop it down, tighten up the lug nuts, and take it for a test drive. That's gonna do it for today's episode, guys. That was super quick, super simple, how to do wheel bearings. So now we have the control arms, we got the tie rods, and also the wheel bearings in a quick couple of videos. So hopefully you guys will just be able to hop into doing something like this yourselves. Let me know how I did. Let me know what you guys made out with as well. Subscribe, turn on those post notifications. Thank you guys for being here. Like down below. Check out the merch line. Thank you guys so much. Hopefully you guys will be inspired by this. Just pick up a wrench, buy a car, do your own job. Try to become a DIY salvage guy yourself.